Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to show how to use Introduction Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Okay, now go to see my practice at my computer together. Okay, before I go to start menu, I go to open Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Okay, everyone. Now this is a background of Adobe Premiere 2021. Okay, for the first point I told you, for the top up Adobe Premiere Pro is called tab menu, which include a file menu, edit, clip, sequence, maker, graphic, view, window, and help. For and this and then the left of the Adobe Premiere he call project name. For so lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3 and 4, and then for center of the Adobe Premiere 2021 is called Project Show, which include photo slideshow, video slideshow, and logo and full tag and more plus. And then for under of the Adobe Premiere Project Show is called timeline. Timeline is to show and video and music, audio and clip and more plus. And then for the right of the Adobe Premiere 2021 is called Effect Control. Effect Control include is preset, lamity preset, audio effect, and audio transition, video effect, and video transition. Okay everyone, for this video I would like to end here and now. For more video, I will make a video about how to create new project in Adobe Premiere and how to open video on Adobe Premiere and how to cut video on Adobe Premiere 2021. Okay everyone, now I thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribe my channel if you want to see more video continue about me. Okay.